can you share a simple trading strategy for my $100 account? I would like to avoid sideways market and enjoy riding those strong uptrends.
Hello and welcome back to Trading Strategy Testing. There is always a need to learn more about the best stocks, forex and commodity trading strategies, which is the purpose of this channel. We enjoy trading, we just wanna teach it with live market actions. One of our subscribers asked us to share a simple strategy for small accounts. She wants a strategy to help her avoid sideways markets to entirely focus on profitable strong trends. But before that, if this is your first time here, consider subscribing to the channel and give this video a thumbs up to help the channel grow and encourage us to make more content in future. Let's get started.
Here is the summary of our video today. We will start by introducing the trading strategy and share some examples from the chart. We will begin backtesting it afterwards while answering an interesting question from the YouTube comment section. Later on we will highlight the results and some impressive findings that all of us should see. Heiken Ashi is a type of trading chart that originated in Japan, and it's similar to candlestick charts, as the color of the candlestick denotes the direction the price is moving. Even though the candlestick and Heiken Ashi charts look similar, but the Heiken Ashi highlights the average price moves, creating a smoother appearance. It could also be used to identify a trend and reduce the noise, especially if used on high time frames. The first indicator we will be using today is the 200 exponential moving average. We have used this one on different videos in the past. The 200 EMA acts as a strong support and resistance. It usually identifies whether we are on an uptrend when the price is above it, or a downtrend when the stock or a currency pair is trading below the line. For more information, you can check out the video we have made in the past where we traded this indicator 100 times. The second indicator we will use today is the Parabolic SAR. You should be familiar with this indicator if you have watched the previous video where we tested it, together with the moving average crossover. The Parabolic SAR is a technical indicator used to determine the price direction of an asset, as well as draw attention when the price direction is changing. The Parabolic SAR points could help us identify the direction of the trend and set the stop-loss level. The rules are simple. When the Parabolic SAR points cross above the 200 EMA, we will wait for 3 consecutive bullish candles, then we go long from the top of the third one. The stop loss is few ticks or 1 pip below the Parabolic SAR points, and the take profit will be 1 to 1.2 the risk involved. On the other hand, the short setup is exactly the opposite. We will wait for 3 consecutive bearish candles. After the Parabolic SAR crosses below the 200 EMA, we will go long at the bottom of the third candle. The stop loss is few ticks above the Parabolic SAR, and we will aim for a 1 to 1.2 risk to reward ratio. You can look at these 2 examples handpicked from the chart. We will be testing this strategy in the forex market. Technically speaking, this strategy could be applicable to stock, indices or any other financial market. We strongly recommend you to backtest this strategy in the market you are interested in to make sure that your money is properly invested. If you have any questions about the strategy, feel free to leave it in the comment section. Before we start backtesting, let's prepare the templates used to record the trades and calculate the win rate of the strategy. We will invest a $100 initial balance with a 2 micro lot fixed trading volume. You can download your free copy from the link available in the video description. We always advise our students to record their trades to be able to review the losing ones afterwards in order to improve their trading strategy. Let's look at some examples from the chart. We will try to locate instances where the Parabolic SAR crosses the 200 EMA, count 3 candles afterwards, then enter the market if the price maintains the same momentum and direction. A certain level of discretionary trading is required here. For instance, if there is a major news release, it's better to stay away from the market or use one of the forex trading strategies we have previously explained on this channel and trade it in live market conditions. We will be trading the Euro-USD Forex pair today using a 15-minute time frame. Let us know in the comments section if you wish us to trade other financial instruments, such as gold, stock or indices. We always welcome your suggestions in the comments section, as it is our main source to decide the next trading strategy or topic to cover. Let's start back testing the strategy. We are not using the replay mode this time, as this feature is not supported on TradingView while trading the Heiken Ashi chart. You can reduce the speed of the video to view the different trade setups. We will also put a vertical mark at certain locations if we encounter interesting setups worth our further attention. We will discuss those after releasing the results. We received an interesting question from Super and Bandra, who wants to know when we are making a live trading video for the Alligator and ADX Forex Trading Strategy that we have shared recently on this channel. We noticed a massive engagement from our subscribers when we shared it. So, we will make a live market video trading this strategy soon. In the second part of the video, he has asked us whether we are using exactly the same strategy or add more elements and factors to increase the profitability. Well, we usually use other supporting factors such as the support and resistance, low and high demand zones. Plus, a bit of a fundamental and market sentiment analysis to make sure that the entry is solid enough to hit our take profit level. Trading systems in Forex, stock or indices is quite profitable, especially if the system has been back-tested enough and shows a positive edge. On the other hand, there are some small factors that we can consider such as the major news release, opening, and closure of a particular market, and psychological price levels to make sure that we are getting the best out of our trades. Never trade a system blindly, always try to look at the big picture. This is the main purpose why we like to make live market trading videos. It's an opportunity to share with you those elements a system might neglect. Let's know in the comments section if you enjoy this kind of content and subscribe to the channel if this is your first time here, so you won't miss any of these tutorials in future. We have just finished back testing the strategy. It took us 2 hours to complete the process and used a second currency pair to make sure that we have enough entries. Feel free to give this video a thumbs up to encourage us to make more videos in future. It would only take 2 seconds of your time, but it means the world to us. After 100 trades, we have managed to make a profit of $66.62 and turned our $100 initial investment to $166.62. We recorded a win rate of 51%, which is pretty good in my opinion. While backtesting the strategy, the highest number of consecutive losing trades we recorded was 3, which makes the strategy safe for trades with higher risk, such as 2 to 3% of our total account. Before we end this video, I would like to highlight this interesting trade which we encountered while backtesting this strategy. You can notice that we have missed trading a strong uptrend. The reason is the fact that we were implementing a firm stop loss. If we used a trailing stop loss instead, we could have made an interesting profit. We will make a live market trading video using this strategy soon. We will leverage a trailing stop loss to see how much profit we could make if we come across any strong trend. We would definitely endorse this strategy. But it's recommended to add more supporting factors to the setup to avoid the false signals and increase our chances of making more profit. Well, if we used a trailing stop loss here, we could have made more than 150 pips from one single trade. Impressive.
Wait, we have got a little surprise for you guys. As per your request, we are going to start a new YouTube series where we grow a small Forex account together. I am not sure of the balance you want me to start with, so I created a poll on our Facebook group to get your opinion. If you are not in the group yet, feel free to join us by clicking on the link available in the description section. Thank you for watching and happy trading.